Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Life as Sally. That's me. So today I'm just gonna be doing my natural hair. I recently took my hair out of the locks that I had it in. You can see my locks in previous videos if you would like. But it took me about 2 weeks off and on to take it completely down. I previously washed it a couple days ago. I went to a birthday party, um, a kid's birthday party, and I just threw it up in a ponytail with some jam and water. So it's been a few days um, since I actually like did my hair or combed it out or whatever. So just in this video, you're gonna be watching me just do my natural hair, style it, and So right now I just took it out of the ponytail and just combing through it to get like the tangles and the knots. I can say that my hair did grow a lot for that year being in the locks. It was just an experiment to see if I wanted to keep the locks permanently, if I wanted to take it down or whatever. So I just decided to take them down because I just wasn't feeling them. I don't think they was like a right fit for me, sort of say. So yeah, I'm just coming through my hair or whatever, and right now what's going through my head is just like, do I want to do two ponytails? Do I want to do one ponytail? Do I need to wash it? Do I need to blow it out? What's the step? But then I realized it's like 28 degrees outside where I am in Louisiana. No snow, unfortunately. Everybody around our town, like outside of our town limits or whatever, have snow, have about 6 to 9 inches of snow, and we barely even have a centimeter of snow. So yeah. So anybody else have like problems with their hair? I know I have to, since taking my locks down, I haven't actually like clipped my ends, looked at my split ends, whatever. But in the video you can kind of see like a lot of the split ends. And it gets kind of frustrating because I don't like to cut my hair, but I have to keep it healthy. So maybe in the next video I'll show you guys how I actually like what is it called, clip my split ends or whatever, just to keep it growing. So well, back to my hair. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. I'm gonna actually get a water bottle and I'm just gonna spray some coolish, warmish water on my hair just to see like the curl pattern. I already know I have 4C hair, but I get my hair silk pressed sometime in 2023, and I had like severe heat damage and my hair did not revert back. So my hair used to be like kinky, coily, like tight. Now when I wash my hair and put it in the ponytail, my hair is like, it's not straight, it's not wavy. It's like a mixture of 3 different types of texture, and I guess heat damage does that. It turns your hair different. So right now I'm just spraying water in my hair around the perimeter. I already previously put in my hair butter that I make and my hair oil that I make, so my hair was pretty moisturized. So I'm just like putting the water through my hair just to loosen up the products because it was cold or whatever. So yeah, my hair is going back soft. Then I just went in down like the middle section of my hair and just put some edge control braid gel down my hair, and that's it. I got this particular braid gel from the hair store in my area, and it was pretty cheap. I'm used to paying maybe like $14-15 for a container of braiding gel, but this gel was $9.99. When I saw that, I quickly grabbed it because that gel is always high. I guess they was having like a sale or whatever. But I got some rat tail combs, I got some brushes, and everything like that. But yeah, I'm just brushing my hair thoroughly now. My left side is kind of easier than my right side, I guess, because I'm left-handed or whatever. But yeah, my hair is very much shorter on the right side also, because I attempted to fix the heat damage by trimming it, but I didn't know like the heat damage had traveled up to my scalp. So I just stopped cutting it because I didn't want my hair to to be like botched on all sides. So yeah, well, that was it for this video pretty much. I'm just putting my hair up in a ponytail and getting ready for the day. Actually, my two daughters have therapy today. um they're gonna be gone for about an hour, and I have to go to a couple of stores, and yeah, that's about it. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I talk a lot, but I'm kind of new to this YouTube thing, so I'm trying to see like if voiceovers is actually gonna work for me, or if I just need to do like silent or just talk like during the video. I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to talk during the video because I don't know. It's just not like what I like to do. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and bye.